Iraqi Dinar today latest news. This is the moment that currency observers have been waiting for. The potential turning point in a financial story that has spanned years for many dedicated followers. If you have been tracking the steps of the Central Bank of Iraq and anticipating any meaningful development in the modernization of the national currency, then the signals emerging from inside the country today demand your full attention. We are tracking news that could reshape the everyday landscape of the Iraqi dinar sooner than most financial analysts and long-term holders had dared to predict. This is not a time to glance away. Every single detail that follows is crucial to understanding the full scope of what is developing on the ground in Baghdad and beyond. The core of this compelling new information revolves around the long-discussed introduction of lower denominations of the Iraqi dinar notes. For a considerable time, the financial system in Iraq has primarily relied on large-value banknotes for day-to-day transactions. This heavy reliance on larger denominations often complicates simple commerce, making routine purchases and everyday monetary exchanges cumbersome and inefficient for both citizens and businesses. The move toward smaller notes has always been viewed as an essential preliminary step toward creating a more user-friendly and functionally modern currency structure, aligning it with international norms. Today, however, the level of chatter has intensified dramatically, moving past mere speculation to become a pervasive and consistent murmur across internal banking networks and connected community groups. What makes this recent spike in reports so significant is the increasing consistency and persistence of the claims, specifically mentioning that the production and preparation phase for these lower-value banknotes may be nearing completion. The implication is clear. These essential tools for modernization may be ready for distribution into the banking system and public circulation far more quickly than the previously anticipated long-term timeline. The reaction within the worldwide dinar community has been immediate and understandably electric. Online forums and private discussion groups are seeing an explosive surge in activity, with individuals scrambling to interpret the meaning and potential impact of this operational shift. The collective curiosity is focused on key questions. How imminent is this rollout? What are the logistical challenges of introducing new notes? And most critically, what does this practical step signify about the central bank's broader intentions for the currency's future? This is a moment of heightened awareness, drawing in even those who have remained skeptical for years. To properly frame this situation, it is important to remember the long-standing context of the dinar's modernization efforts. For decades, experts have pointed out the necessity of streamlining the currency for improved domestic utility. When only high-value notes are readily available, a common trip to the market or a routine business transaction becomes unnecessarily complex, often requiring large stacks of notes or informal workarounds. The introduction of smaller notes directly addresses this problem, enhancing the velocity and practicality of the money for the average Iraqi consumer and merchant. The prevailing logic within financial circles is that structural reforms rarely begin with sweeping, dramatic declarations. Instead, they typically start with practical, foundational moves designed to stabilize and organize the physical currency infrastructure. Therefore, the confirmed appearance of prepared lower denominations would be interpreted not just as a simple printing operation, but as an indicator of an accelerated timeline for deeper, comprehensive system changes. It signals a tangible movement away from a purely large note economy toward one that is fully operational at every denomination level. This structural readiness is precisely why the news carries so much weight among those holding the dinar. While the introduction of new notes does not automatically guarantee any specific future valuation, it is widely viewed as the establishment of a necessary precondition for greater shifts. Without the ability to transact efficiently with smaller amounts, any larger financial strategy would remain incomplete. The idea that these banknotes are potentially printed, packaged, and ready for deployment compels observers to ask whether this is merely an isolated step toward currency modernization or the initial phase of a much more extensive strategic overhaul. From a purely practical standpoint, the benefits of lower denominations for the everyday financial life of Iraq are enormous and immediate. Picture trying to run a business where the smallest available note is equivalent to a significant chunk of a day's wages. It creates friction at every cash register. Smaller notes facilitate accurate change, eliminate the need for constant price rounding or improvising, and ultimately inject a critical dose of confidence into the currency because it becomes truly usable for all purposes. This is the cornerstone of a functional, modern economy. The psychological impact of this apparent progress cannot be overstated after a prolonged period of quiet development. News of tangible physical currency movement generates significant momentum, reinvigorating a community that has shown immense patience. This excitement is not rooted in unfounded financial promises, but in the evidence of concrete action being taken by the central bank. It serves as a strong reminder that the structural work to strengthen Iraq's monetary system is ongoing, capturing the attention of even the most cautious analysts. Many are now attempting to decode the timing of this proposed rollout. Why now, as opposed to earlier or later? While the specific internal reasoning of the Central Bank of Iraq remains private, the action aligns perfectly with the country's broader, public-facing goals of economic stability and anti-corruption measures. A well-organized, practical currency system supports greater accountability and reduces reliance on informal cash handling. This step, therefore, fits within a much larger strategic framework designed to improve overall financial governance. It is important to emphasize that this potential rollout is a practical step of infrastructure development, not a confirmation of any major rate change or revaluation event. However, it unequivocally signals a state of readiness and forward momentum within the banking sector. Historically, major financial transformations are invariably preceded by necessary infrastructural adjustments, and the availability of a full range of practical denominations is a fundamental part of that necessary infrastructure. For this reason, the community interprets it as an overwhelmingly positive and encouraging sign of organizational progress. If reports of the note's imminent readiness prove accurate, it is vital to anticipate that their introduction will most likely be a phased, carefully managed process, not a sudden overnight flood. Central banks are deliberate in their actions, testing the system's capacity, monitoring public reaction to the new notes, and ensuring that businesses and banks are fully trained on handling them. Currency distribution is a complex logistical exercise that requires coordination, planning, and systematic stages of release to ensure a smooth transition without market disruption. For individuals holding the dinar, this news should primarily serve as a call for increased awareness and information gathering. This operational change, if it occurs, will not diminish the value of existing holdings. Rather, it introduces new, essential tools into the financial system, signifying evolution. The critical response should not be to panic or speculate, but to understand the mechanics of modernization and how a fully functional currency system serves the stability and growth of a nation's economy. The simultaneous consideration of two key benefits, improved practical usability and potential long-term strategic readiness, is why this topic generates such significant buzz. The introduction of lower notes immediately addresses the daily friction faced by the public, while also establishing a foundational component that future major financial initiatives would require. These two dimensions are not mutually exclusive and contribute equally to the feeling of momentum within the dinar discussion community. Beyond the domestic impact, international observers pay very close attention when a national currency undergoes such a significant refinement. Moves toward a more functional, well-organized currency system typically signal improved stability, forward-looking planning, and a commitment to global financial standards. These are all prerequisites for attracting foreign investment. Therefore, the ripple effects of this foundational change could extend far beyond Iraq's borders, positively influencing external perceptions of the country's economic trajectory. In conclusion, the most responsible posture for holders of the dinar is to remain patient, well-informed, and grounded in the facts of operational development. The possible rollout of lower denominations represents a foundational step, a necessary piece of a larger, evolving puzzle. It is neither the finish line nor the final answer, but it is tangible, preparatory movement. Those who understand how this piece fits into Iraq's overall financial restructuring will be the ones best equipped to navigate the changes that unfold. The news emerging today suggests that the story of the Iraqi dinar is entering a new phase of active development. While we must maintain realistic expectations and await official confirmation, any genuine movement, whether it is a full-scale rollout or preparatory action, is a potent indicator of behind-the-scenes progress. A country's central bank taking steps to refine its physical currency is always a sign that something fundamental is in motion, and that is why this update matters so greatly. We will continue to track every official word and every confirmed operational step as this story unfolds.